Marvel's Spider-Man 2, the highly anticipated sequel to the beloved superhero game, has been a massive hit among gamers and critics alike. The game is praised for its engaging storyline, stunning graphics, and the addition of new abilities for both Peter Parker and Miles Morales. However, some Spider-Man 2 players have encountered a Galvanize not working bug. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Galvanize is a powerful ability in Spider-Man 2 that allows the player to launch a single enemy into the air and release intermittent bolts of electricity at nearby foes. The more you keep the targeted enemy airborne and continue to strike them, the more frequent and devastating these electrical attacks become. This move is not only visually impressive, but also strategically valuable in the battle. Players who have experienced this issue find themselves in a tough spot. When the game instructs them to use the Galvanize ability, their screen freezes, effectively halting their progress in the mission. Players say they are stuck on this mission and can't complete the storyline. The Galvanize not working issue arises during a pivotal mission in the game, known as Set Things Right. In this mission, Miles Morales and Martin Lee embark on a journey in Peter Parker's subconscious to combat a malevolent infection. This mission holds a significant importance in the game's plot. Fortunately, we have some potential workarounds to address the Galvanize not working bug. Restarting from checkpoint. One of the first things you can try when you encounter the Galvanize bug is to restart the game from the previous checkpoint. This may seem like a basic solution, but it's often the most effective. Players have reported that multiple restarts from the checkpoint were sometimes required to resolve the issue. A single restart might not always do the trick, so be prepared to repeat the process a couple of times until the bug is fixed. Perform Galvanize before time slows down. Some players have found success by performing the Galvanize ability before time slows down in the game. When you see the prompt to use Galvanize, don't wait for the cinematic slow-mo effect to kick in. Instead, quickly press the buttons and execute the ability in real time. This can sometimes bypass the bug and allow you to continue playing without any issues. Disable 120Hz and VRR. Another potential workaround is to disable the 120Hz and VRR settings. It's worth noting that this workaround might not work for everyone, but it has proven effective for some players. While this may result in a slight drop in graphical quality, it's a viable solution if all else fails. We have more such stories in our dedicated gaming section, so be sure to follow them as well. Thank you for watching.